I feel an incredible amount of attraction towards you. Your presence in my life has empowered me to take control and not let others manipulate me. It's remarkable how much you have helped me heal and become independent in various aspects of my life. I am proud of how your love has transformed me and motivated me to improve. Honestly, you are the most amazing person I have ever encountered. I desire to create and provide you with a perfect and fulfilling life. You entered my life unexpectedly, bringing something so true and genuine. Even now, when I reminisce about those moments with you, it stirs deep emotions within me. All I ask of you is to maintain your faith and belief in us, because I am much closer to our union than it may appear. You are the first person who has shown me my own flaws and imperfections, and although it has been painful and humbling, I have a great deal of respect for you because of it. Thank you for watching.